Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's DIY is going to be on how I whiten my teeth naturally at home. A lot of people compliment me on my teeth and my smile, and they ask me how I get my teeth so white. I don't know, because I love coffee. Like, I literally just had a cup of coffee. Like, I love coffee. I don't always drink from a straw. So I did start noticing, like, maybe like 3 months ago, my teeth were getting a little yellow and I was a little upset. And I typically don't go and get my teeth professionally whitened because my teeth are so sensitive. So anytime I do it, the next day my teeth are just like so sore. And I did it one time and I liked the results, but I was over it. So this do-it-yourself is going to be how you can whiten your teeth at home naturally and safe. Obviously, use this product at your discretion. I am not a dentist, a doctor, or anything, so don't be saying your teeth fell out, which I doubt, because all these products are natural and you can actually eat them. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so your number one product that you are going to be using to whiten your teeth today is coconut oil. All you need is coconut oil. It does not matter if it is liquidy like this or solid like this at the bottom. Coconut oil is coconut oil. This is the virgin coconut oil cold pressed. It's unrefined. Get unrefined if you can. If not, still coconut oil, so it'll still do as good, but I prefer unrefined coconut oil because I use it for other things. I don't cook with it. I feel like it's nasty, but if you cook with it, hey, by all means. So what we're gonna do, because it's gonna be a pretty quick tutorial, is that I am going to take a spoonful of this and I'm gonna put it in my mouth. So basically what this method is called oil pulling. So what oil pulling does is when you let the coconut oil sit at the bottom of your mouth, it's gonna pull all the bacteria, all the germs, all the nasty stuff, and also lift some of like that plaque from your mouth naturally. So I have not brushed my teeth yet. My breath stank, because you wanna do this before you brush your teeth. So what I do is I do typically go across my mouth with no toothpaste just to get like any of like as you would normally brush your teeth. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take some of this in a spoon. It's been sitting in the sun, so normally it is solid. If yours is solid, just break it up in your mouth, swish it back and forth. And we're gonna put this in our mouth for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, as long as you can. It is natural, so if you swallow it, it's okay. It's just nasty to me, so I don't like it. But it's very important that when you spit this out, put it in the trash can, okay? Don't put it in your sink, because if it's like this, hold on. If it's like this now, and then it goes back to like this, it's gonna mess your sink up. And I'm not a plumber, so I ain't trying to mess my sink up. So with that being said, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I normally do it. So I just take a little bit. So be very careful, because normally mine's solid. So this is the first time but it's summertime and I have had it sitting in the sun, so whatever. So you're gonna just take a little spoon and you're just gonna hold it in your mouth. Alright guys, so I just spit the coconut oil out, and here are my teeth. See? Shining! Yes, so, honestly, I feel like if you can contribute 20 minutes of your morning, honestly you can do it at nighttime too, but I like to do it more in the morning. That way I can brush my teeth and just be ready for my day. I would say you can have whiter teeth. Do this for about 7 days, and then really check your progress. And honestly, sometimes if I don't have 20 minutes, I do like 10 to 15, and I feel like I still feel a little effect. But if you want to fully commit, 20 minutes, 7 days, and really see how white your teeth get. Honestly, it's way cheaper than Crafts White Strips. It's natural, so I don't ever feel any sensitivity afterwards, and I do it multiple times, so I think that's the best thing with people with sensitive teeth. You don't want to like keep whitening and then like your teeth are just so soft and sensitive, and like anything cold or hot just freaks it out. That's what it does to me. So yeah, I typically like to use the coconut oil. Like I said, don't spit it out in your sink. Make sure you spit it out in the trash can. And what I'll do is I'll list all the benefits of oil pulling below, so that way you guys can really see exactly why oil pulling is good for you. It's good for your mouth in general. because it kills all the bacteria and then also whitens your teeth. So, I mean, I feel like it's a win-win, especially when coconut oil is not that expensive. So, get your hands on some coconut oil and get them teeth white. Until next time. Wasn't supposed to go like that. That being said, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.